Good morning, students. Class 7th Science, and today's our topic digital thermometer. Nowadays, digital thermometers are used to measure body temperature. They work on tiny dry cells. A good quality digital thermometer records body temperature more accurately than the ordinary mercury in glass type thermometer. Moreover, it is a safer device because it does not contain mercury, which is a toxic substance. The human body carries out several chemicals processes which occurs continuously. These processes are very sensitive to temperature, which is why the body has to maintain a constant temperature around the 37 degree centigrade. The body temperature optimum in this time 98.6 Fahrenheit. It is 36.7 degree centigrade and it is the normal human temperature, but some scientists have now considered it's 98.2 Fahrenheit and 37.77 degree centigrade to be true normal temperature of humans. Laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is made up of a glass tube. It has a glass bulb with mercury which are gaining heat rises in the glass capillary on the tube. There are two fixed points that show the lowest and highest temperature that can be measured on the thermometer. The ordinary laboratory thermometer is marked from 0 centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. Some laboratory thermometer mark to measure temperature minus 10 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade. It is the laboratory thermometer. Reading a laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer does not have a constriction. It has to be read while it is in contact with a material whose temperature is being measured. For example, a record of temperature warm water. The temperature has been read while the thermometer is immersed in warm water. Do you know flameless heater? Soldiers in combat cannot light fire to heat food. They use to chemical reaction to generate heat. Magnesium and iron dust are mixed with the table salt. To activate the reaction, soldiers add the little water to the mixture. The reaction generates enough heat to boil water. Clothes and seasons. Black or dark surface colored surfaces absorb heat and warm up quickly, whereas the white or light colored surfaces reflects heat and remain cool. That is why we must wear dark colored cloths in winter and light colored cloths in summer. Activity: take a 2 meter tumblers, apply gum or adhesive and cover the outer surface of one tumbler with a white paper and cover the other is black paper. Fill equal amount of tap water in both tumblers. At noon, place of tumbler outdoors in for about 20 minutes. Measure the temperature of water in each of the tumblers, which is one is warmer. So you have known this, which have the covered dark colored or black paper, they have more warmer because they have absorb more heat. How does a woolen garment keep the body warm in winter? Woolen fiber curls and form air pockets. The air trapped to the woolen garments is made warm by the heat from the body. This keeps the body warm. Moreover, wool is a poor conductor of heat. It is it does not let the warmth of body to escape and also prevent cold air from the reaching the body. This is how woolen garments keep the body warm in winter. Thank you, student.